Now we plug in the data cable of the second nozzle. It's still a nozzle with 4 wires. The first one is inserted under the left. The second one is inserted into the upper left one. The third one is inserted under the right. The fourth one is inserted into the upper right. Then align it with the hole and install it. Insert the first one on the left into this position. The bottom left into the upper position. Insert above right. This position. Insert the bottom right into the top right position. The nozzle has been wired. Now let's screw the screws. It's still the same 3 screw holes.